Hello everybody, it's the boy Elliot here, and today we're going to be doing Forces of Nature as another part of the Road to Suicide Squad. The Suicide Squad. I keep on pronouncing it as if it's called Suicide Squad. I don't know why though. Suicide Squad we came out in 2016. Now 5 years later, a sequel is coming out. Well, Birds of Prey was also a sequel? I really don't know, to be completely honest with you. I haven't been really that much involved with DC movies ever since Ever since Wonder Woman 1984 came out. But now they have this. So, yeah. Alright, but let's go ahead and get this started. Now, a funny thing about this reaction was that I kind of thought that this was going to be Force of Nature, but no, it's Forces of Nature. There's that little S in the end of Forces, just to let you all know. Coming to theaters. Alright, show me what you got. Okay, the volume's okay. Let's keep it up like that. Yeah.
Morning, Jeff.
Morning, Carolyn.
I love your tie, that color.
Ooh. Somebody's about to get some. Huh. What's going on?
Ricky?
Whoa. Whoa, okay.
Why do they call you your funny bone? You ever hit it? It's not funny. What if we made the first thing you want other drivers?
What the hell do you think you're doing?
What? Work.
For having everyone write out a job description, that way management can assess who's valuable and who's expendable.
Family.
Trying to take an active interest in me. Why can't they just have their own lives?
I'm so proud of you. You didn't screw up once.
No, you didn't.
Oh my god, it's a psycho next door. Gee, what if he worships you?
I didn't mean to scare you. I'm not obsessing. I'm just curious.
Why does he dress like a Bible salesman?
Today I quit my job, and then I blackmailed my boss for almost $60,000 past these fairs.
Your dad's actually kind of cute. I think he and your mother have not slept together in a long time.
Shut up. You think you're the only one who's frustrated.
I'm not? Well then, come on, baby. I'm ready. Welcome to America's weirdest home videos. This is
America's weirdest home videos. Instead of America's funniest home videos, it's weirdest home videos. What are you on?
Smile. You're at Mr. Smiley's.
You are so busted.
Is that supposed to be a restaurant or something? Whoa!
Sometimes there's so much beauty in the world.
Wait, is this American
I
Beauty?
can't take it.
I think this is American Beauty. Yes, it is! Those little red roses. Those little flower petals. They give it away. I forgot who the stars though, by the way.
Yes.
I'll figure it out sooner or later. American Beauty. Look closer. Well, Kevin Spacey and Annette Bening. That's who it stars. Cool. I like it.
In the town of Loblolly by the Sea, life moves at a slower pace.
Condiments. Let's move on
Really?
to ketchup. Obviously the most popular condiment. I don't think anybody's going to disagree with me on that one.
Not Ellen DeGeneres.
No.
And everybody knows everybody else's business.
Did George's books come in yet? Complete Idiot's Guide to Surviving Divorce.
Oh yeah, that is
Divorce
Ellen
Workbook.
DeGeneres.
And of course.
Yeah, I recognize her voice.
But
Her
something
voice is
unexpected
familiar for
is
Finding
about to
Nemo
arrive.
and Dory.
a love letter addressed to no one.
Dearest.
But in case if any of you are generally confused on who voices Marlin, I have the answer for you. His name is Albert Brooks. Thank you.
No one ever wrote me a love letter before.
Before?
She
How many love letters do you have?
I've fallen in love without taking a step. You're all wrong for me, and I know it. I'm on fire.
He assumes it's from her.
I love it.
You think he's on dope? Looks to me like he's on dope.
It's not that kind of thing.
She's sure it's for her.
He blinked like a wink, not blink, but like a kind of a sexy.
And life in this simple town
Ew.
That's ominous.
is about to get complicated.
Life is already complicated. What are you talking about?
So hot and full of passion.
I don't think George could write a letter like this.
Nice bod.
What do you want from me?
I want you to put your shirt on.
Good pecs. Nice abs.
I want you to put your shirt on now. I'd like for you to put your shirt on.
I really wanted to kiss you just now, Helen.
How's it feeling being object, babe? I don't understand why you know it's for you and it's not for me.
Don't flatter yourself, okay? I mean, don't think that I lost my hair over you because I didn't.
DreamWorks Pictures presents Kate Capshaw, Tom Selleck, Ellen DeGeneres, and Tom Everett Scott.
Yeah, that is Ellen DeGeneres.
Really?
I can't believe she's in this movie.
The Love Letter.
Got it. Watch the
I
kid.
got him. Okay, be careful. Daddy's gonna go play with his fire hose. Doesn't sound right.
Yeah, it didn't sound right. Kinda didn't sound right when you think about it. If you have a dirty mind, that is.
Where imagination turns to fear. There is no escape
So you love your hair?
from the haunting. Liam Neeson.
Liam Neeson, Liam Neeson, Nissan, Liam Neeson, Nissan, a Nissan, a Nissan, a Nissan. That's funny. Cool. Now available on video cassette. Alright, show me. Show me.
We're gonna pick one person and we're gonna put that person's life on television all day long. Live.
This is the guy you want to go with.
Yes.
Is that another Ellen DeGeneres flick?
31 years old. He's a video store clerk. What is he gonna spend the rest of his life rearranging Ernest movies? We're gonna go in 3, 2, and. There he is.
Morning.
How in the hell?
All right, here we go, Carlos. Just stay with them. What happens when you go to the bathroom? Do they go in with you?
Don't even think about that, man.
Wow.
Just don't.
He's
Just
checking
don't.
out his own price.
Don't.
This is a new low point in American culture. You bring those cameras over to Big Brother, and I promise you, I will make something happen.
Make something out of him.
An action sequence. I want to introduce you to my girlfriend, Cher. She's beautiful, right? What do you like about it? I don't know. It's just that just let me watch.
You are,
What?
you.
Did you see the look? She likes the head guy better than she likes the brother.
I'm going away, and all I can think about is you. Hip hip! Hip hip!
Don't you don't
What is she saying? I didn't get her.
Yes, you're on television. You're on television.
Well, we've had pet rocks and beanie babies, but America's latest craze is a guy named Ed.
Whoa.
He's a beetle. He's not a beetle, but he's a little spice girl.
I'm Ed.
Little Spice Girl.
I'm trying to remember.
Everybody hates you.
Nobody hates you, baby.
You would say today, is Sherry good enough for Ed? 21% of the people said.
We're rolling.
That's fun for the whole family.
I don't want to be on television anymore.
It states very specifically in your contract, you can't quit.
Ed, you're a star.
Now that's television, huh?
What is it?
It's my breath, Ed. It's on the internet.
Oh, this just keeps getting
All
better.
over the internet, boy. All over the internet. Ed TV. Anyway, yeah.
Forces of Nature, the original motion picture soundtrack, featuring music by U2, Chris Todd, Touch and Go, Blue Boy, Propeller Heads, Holly Palmer, Pigeon Head, Faithless, Swerve Driver, Gomez, R.L. Burnside, and Cubanismo. The Forces of Nature motion picture soundtrack. It's a force all its own. In stores now.
A force to reckon with. And that's it. Woo! That was great. That was good. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there's the little film variant logo. Okay, everybody, that's gonna do it on the VHS reaction to Forces of Nature. Until next time, it's the boy Elliot signing you off. Now to head out of here. Alright, here we go. How far has he gone, Cassie? He's gone completely far. Hey, you mind if I have a look? Sure thing, Duke. Here you go. Thanks. Man, it's been a while ever since we've seen each other because of the fact that he's been getting used to these new characters that he just met up with. Really? Who are they? Well, they're from the movie The Expendables. Oh, wow. What are their names? Their names are Barney Ross and Lee Christmas. Both actors are. Barney Ross is actually Rambo's doppelganger, and Lee Christmas is actually Deckard Shaw and Frank Martin's doppelganger. So Sylvester Stallone and Jason Statham, of course. Well, if we're gonna, I'm just a little bit worried about our friend though. I mean, he's still assassinating the Rockafire characters, the Sesame Street characters, and all that stuff, and the Chuck E. Cheese characters as well too. Well, I did hear from his friend RT that he had a vision saying that Ronald McDonald might be dead by the end of 2021. Well, let's see if that vision is true. Let's sit back and watch.